Hello, and welcome to Step 3 of our online reputation management audit, Searching Other Sites. Google is a large and powerful search engine that contains more information than we could possibly ever use, but it is not the only place that affects our reputation. Remember all the way back to Step 1 of this exercise where we tried to determine who might be searching for us online? Now, we need to find out where else they might be searching for us. The web is a very large place, and unless you hire a professional online reputation management company, you probably won't be able to find every bit of information about you, but you can find enough to get started in building your reputation. This part of the tutorial will take you to several different sites and show you how to search for your brand and collect that information. So get ready to find out more about yourself than you ever thought you would. If you have any questions about any of the sites that we're about to visit, or about any of the information in this video tutorial or any of the other tutorials that you've watched thus far, please email us. We would love to hear from you and we would be happy to answer any questions that you might have. If you are a business, the natural first place for you to go to find out about what people are saying about you is Yelp.com. So let's go there now. Yelp.com is a fantastic site that allows customers to rate and review the businesses that they frequent on a regular basis. For a business owner, getting good reviews on this site means cashing in on loads of traffic and potential business. Let's see what people are saying about you. Let's use the Olive Garden in Portland, Oregon as an example. As you can see, I've typed out Portland, Oregon in the right-hand section reserved for the address, and now I will enter in Olive Garden into the area where it says search for. Go ahead and click search. As you can see, we are immediately served with results. We can click on these results individually and find out exactly what people are saying about our business. As you can see, you can read each individual review below. Some of these reviews are very comprehensive and as a business owner may be incredibly helpful. Let's go back to the search results page. Why don't you try and do a search for your own business now? Remember to type in the city and state where your business is located, right here, and then enter in the name of your business as well, right here. Next, we will go to Twitter and see what people are saying about us there. To search on Twitter, we need to go to the Twitter search page. So first, we will go to twitter.com/search. Here is the Twitter search page. On this page, we will want to again type in our name or business name to find out what people are saying. Let's use the example of the Olive Garden again. Go ahead and click search. And again, we can see a list of live results of live tweets where real people are talking about our business or about us. As you can see, it's a pretty long list. Take the time to read through these. You will get a very good idea of how people feel about your brand. If you really want to take your business to the next level, respond to these tweets and address concerns or say thanks for praise. If you do not see anything related to you or your brand in this list of search results, or the list of search results from Yelp.com, do not jump to the conclusion that you are safe. The opposite is true. Remember, if you are absent from the social media world, your competitor will fill that gap. We will look at one more website, though there are literally hundreds more that we could look at to perform a proper reputation audit. So let's go to LinkedIn.com. If we scroll down to the bottom of the front page, we can perform a search for people. Let's perform a search for rebel billionaire Richard Branson. Let's type in his name here and click search. Go ahead and click search. As you can see, we will get a long list of results. This is important to recognize. What are some of the first things that you recognize as we have searched for the rebel billionaire Richard Branson? Well, one of the things that I notice is I don't actually see him until we scroll all the way down here, and there he is, Chairman of the Virgin Group, London, United Kingdom. So why is Richard Branson, the rebel billionaire, probably one of the most powerful people on the planet, listed so far below all of these other people? The answer is very simple. These Richard Bransons have more connections, have more complete profiles with photographs, with information about themselves, than this Richard Branson, who has nearly nothing, 54 connections, and a sentence or two about what he does. Now, for Richard Branson, this might be a good thing. Perhaps he doesn't want people to contact him. If that is the online reputation that he's trying to pull off, he's doing a pretty good job. But for people like you and me, we want to make connections. We want to build our business. We aren't already billionaires. Maybe someday we will be, but for now, we are just trying to build our business one day at a time. So if you want to build an online reputation using LinkedIn, it's important that you fill your profile with the proper pictures and information. Having a full LinkedIn profile will make you stand out and solidify your online reputation. See what happens when you search for your own name. Now that we have covered the 3 steps to performing an online reputation management audit, let's take a look at what we can do if we have found some holes in our online reputation. In the next video, we will talk about how to defend your online reputation.